Proactive commercial landscape maintenance services from Lindgren Landscape ensure that the appearance of your landscaping conveys the pride in your company. You get the peace of mind you need that your grounds are being cared for. Our trained, experienced crews will take meticulous care of your property using state-of-the-art equipment. From turf and plant care to water management, spring and fall cleanups, to managing snow and ice, our experts provide quality, proactive service year-round in every aspect of commercial landscape management. Your dedicated Lindgren Landscape Commercial Account Manager will be your single point of contact, providing you with an initial site audit to confirm your property's needs. Then you'll receive regular maintenance summaries and notes of anticipated services throughout the growing season. Our goal is to be as proactive as possible, so you won't be caught off guard. Whether your property is a medical or school campus, business park, sprawling HOA, or retail shopping center, we always want to exceed your expectations. Talk to us today about commercial landscape maintenance services from Lindgren Landscape.